Hi, this is Raj, an English language trainer. English for beginners at Dining Hall, Video 6. What's for breakfast? Idli. What's for breakfast? Upma. What's for breakfast? Bread. What's for breakfast? Omelette. What's for breakfast? Dosa. What's for breakfast? Yellow rice. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat idli. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat upma. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat omelette. What does he eat for breakfast? He eats bread. What does he eat for breakfast? He eats yellow rice. What does he eat for breakfast? He eats dosa. That's all for today. See you soon in the next class.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.